Dan Wagner, CEO of CloudSmartz. Our focus is to really enable service providers, communication service providers, the telco industry, trillion-dollar industry, really establish their automation capabilities. We have an SI business that we've had around for about 10 years and built a lot of different things for different telecom companies around the world. And over the last couple of years, we focused on what we think is the most opportunistic area, an area that you would think that telecom would be amazing at because they're tech industry and innovative, but they're actually pretty bad at, and that's really the customer experience. So we developed a product and capability that really starts at the customer experience with a portal and really begins to aggregate all that customer information and aggregate the relationship between service providers and their enterprise and small business customers. So millions of customers to the thousands of service providers, and we're that customer portal that sits in the middle. We have other applications that kind of flow from that actually support network as a service. We have a CPQ engine, we have a product catalog engine that feeds into an entire service delivery workflow engine. So we understand the entire revenue cycle. In fact, our tagline is revenue acceleration. And the problem that we're attacking specifically for telcos is around how do you accelerate revenue and how do you reduce costs through automation. And we've been around for about 10 years. We're fairly small, but we're growing rapidly. We come at this space of almost selling against the bigger software companies. We're small, we're agile, we're all telco. That's all we do. We're all customer experience. We have experience in the industry. I was the head of sales for Global Crossing, the head of sales for EXO Communications. I was the CIO of Global Crossing, president of Europe. So I've got a lot of history and experience in this industry. And we've been pretty excited about how we've been able to attack the customer experience and provide some really good innovation and capability managing that relationship between enterprises and service providers.